Hello everyone. Are you looking for more conversions within your same budget? Yes, you heard it right. So recently Google has came up with a new thing called as AI Max for the search campaigns. So using that AI technology, you could get more conversions within your budget, what you are spending currently. Right. So in this video, we are going to discuss about that. Please like this video so it could reach to more people. Let's get started. Okay. So I have opened my Google Ads account. Now let's see how do we activate it. Let's see first of all, did that update came into our account or not. So they have mentioned that the update will be coming into the accounts in Q3 2025. So some of the accounts have got the update already, but some of the accounts might not have got it. So you could reach out to your Google Ads representative and they will help you with activating that. So now let's go and see where is that option to enable and use that. How do we use it and test it for better performance? Okay, let's just create a new campaign over here. You have create button, click on create, click on campaign over here, right? And you must be having your objective, right? You want sales from your e-commerce store, you want leads for your B2B services, any business, or you just want website traffic or app promotion, right? So now I'm going with leads. Okay, and you have your conversion goal created. So select the relevant one and click on continue and select the campaign type, which will be search in this case, because AI Max is released for search campaigns, right? And I want to send my traffic to my website or my landing page. So I'll click on the website visits and mention my website there. Okay. Okay, so I have mentioned the website. Click on continue and give the name, any name which looks fine for you, right? Let's say I write it AI Max demo, right? And then continue and start new. Okay, and what is your focus? If you are wanting to get more conversions, or you want to choose TCPA, or you want to choose conversion value or ROAS, which is your wish, depending upon your business. It will be different for different businesses, and choose the right one and the relevant one, right? And click on next. You could see on the left hand side over here, you have already AI Max enabled in this account. In case you don't see, you could reach out to your Google Ads representative and they will help you to add it to your account. Okay, now let me go to next. I do not want this display network or search partners. Okay, I want to be advertising this in UAE and the language will be English. Click on more settings. Yeah, everything looks fine and click on next, right? And this is the AI Max for search campaigns. In case you want to enable this, you can enable this. So before that, let us discuss what is AI Max and how does it help you, right? So you must be doing a lot of keyword research till now. You not be testing multiple ad copies, testing multiple landing pages, right? So all of those will be made easy using this update. So what does that mean? So this Google AI Max is going to expand your keywords. When you switch on this, it is going to use its keywordless technology. It is going to use broad match and keywordless technology based on the assets what we have given. We might have given certain headlines, certain descriptions, right? Some images, videos, right? So based on this, landing page data, right? There's certain content on our landing page, right? So based on this, it is going to find very relevant search terms, and it is going to dynamically show to the people when those search terms are searched by the users, right? So it is going to do the keyword research part, and also second thing, it is going to create new assets and optimize the existing assets. So using the landing page content, using the existing content what we have given, right? So we gave headlines, descriptions, using that, it is going to improve our search copies, right? Based on the interest of the users. And apart from that, it is also going to expand the URL, right? If it finds that certain URL is suitable for this query, it will pick from the website and it will show that URL on behalf of us. Google will figure out using its technology, using the AI Max technology, and identify certain URLs on the website which are relevant to that particular query and show that. And does this mean that we don't have any control on the campaigns? Is it like PMAX campaigns? No, absolutely no. We completely have the control over the campaigns. We will get the insights. In your search term reports, you will be able to see search term reports from AI Max, right? So you're going to see clear performance of that particular AI Max related keywords, which Google has automatically shown, right? So that is something new about these search campaigns, which is like an upgradation of search campaigns. And when the Google team has done some internal analysis, so they have seen 14% more conversions, right? You might be optimizing for conversion value, or CPA or ROAS, right? But what they have seen is 14% more conversions when you are using this technology, right? So that is something Google claims after doing certain experimentation with some of the big accounts, right? So in order to switch on this, you just need to press this, right? You have this text customization, so it will use the content from the landing pages, websites, and also ads, and it will create own ad copy, right? And the same way, it will use the final URL, it will use the website and send the traffic to most relevant website URL, which would likely to improve the performance. And in case you have some URL which you don't want to send the people to, you could add the URL exclusion over here. And the rest of the options are same. There is nothing new. You might be aware of how search campaign works. So this is an extra add-on feature, which is an upgradation of existing search campaigns, which could improve your performance by 14%. I hope you like this video. Please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.